Go get him, Casey. Get him, Casey.
Oh, fuck.
I'm getting all this on video, bro. This is some funny shit.
Johnny, lure her into the bathroom. If you can get her in the bathroom, we can shut her in for a little bit.
Oh, shit.
It's probably walking. Oh, God.
Bro, I've been laughing so hard I'm starting to cry.
Me too.
Bring her to the bathroom. Oh my God.
Somebody push you in here.
Johnny, all you gotta do is walk into the bathroom when she follows you.
Lure her.
No. Walk in.
She's just hopping like a rabbit.
Just walk into the bathroom, Johnny, when she gets close.
Dude, if y'all want to see it, just watch my video. Johnny!
Freaking YouTube.
I will, probably.
What's the name of it gonna be?
I don't know.
Quit Rampage Bird.
Crazy ass bird.
Bud's gone.
Where's she at?
I scared him.
Where'd you scare her to?
What is she standing right at his face?
I said. Come on, bud. You got any food? No.
I can't see. Get down a little bit.
Not
Slowly walking like a fucking serial killer.
She walks like a boss. I want this bird. I'm gonna kidnap your bird. Casey, you're such a boss. She's like, yeah.
What'd she do?
She backed away. Are you poking her? I think he was poking her.
No.
Dude, just stick your foot out and let her try to attack it and pull it in.
I'm not going near that fucking bird.
Hey.
She looked under the fucking door.
Hey, look.
Johnny, jump into the bathtub.
Did you scare her?
No, she ran after it. She's like, I know there's other people under that damn door.
Wait, is this what's enough for me to poke?
Yeah, go for it.
Somebody
Johnny's gone. See, I would go, but I don't have shoes on.
Put shoes on and go.
No. She's hopping away.
This is so hilarious. Casey. Be a man, Brenton.
Call me Casey.
She's just hopping after Johnny with joy. This is the most exercise this bird's probably ever got.
Damn it, I could have fucking gone in Johnny's room and then
she peeked around the corner, bruh. Look at this. She's peeking around the fucking corner.
Dude, that's creepy as hell.
Somebody get a back scratcher to me.
Give the back scratcher to him, see what he does.
I can't see the bird. Where's she at?
I don't know.
Come on.
I can see her.
She's at his foot.
Come on.
I'm laughing when she picks the shit out of him.
Or she don't pick, she bites.
Oh, fuck.
She ain't no regular bird.
I'm gonna pop it up against the dough.
Oh, crap. There's like, oh no, bad idea.
Butt scratcher. Take it.
Ah! He poked me in the freaking eye.
Oh, shit. She chased him.
Get her into the bathroom.
Somebody help me push her in here?
Just, do you have the light on?
Yeah.
Alright, now.
Somebody push her in here.
Don't worry, she'll go in there after you just,
Jump in the bathtub.
yeah, get in the bathtub and she'll, be,
She's like, I ain't fucking
Don't
stupid.
grab her, Johnny. She'll bite the hell out of you.
Johnny, lead her into your room.
Oh, crap.
yeah. Now walk out and close the door before she can get out. Yes! I win.